Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back again with yet another relishing recipe which is not only easy and quick but also very delicious. And if you are a cheese lover, then you will definitely love this recipe. So this is the list of ingredients that you would be requiring for this sandwich recipe. Also, they are very readily available ingredients at home, hence it would be very easy to make this sandwich. Also, if you are very hungry and you need to grab a meal and you do not have time to prepare a meal for yourself, then this recipe is your go-to recipe. So let's go ahead and find how to prepare this sandwich. So I've taken already chopped vegetables here, 1 tomato, 1 onion and 1 capsicum. You can add in more vegetables of your flavor and taste. Also, I've added some veg mayonnaise. You can add in some of your salad dressings as well instead of mayonnaise if you do not like it. Now I'll just add in some salt, some red chili powder, then some oregano. You can also add in those oregano pouches that you get from Domino's. Those extra pouches are always there in our refrigerators, and they're just lying around, so you can add those also here. It will enhance the taste of the sandwich. Also, I've added basil in this and pasta and pizza seasonings. Now I'll give a quick mix so that the spices and the mayonnaise get covered on all of the vegetables and they are evenly distributed. Now comes the best and favorite part of this recipe, which is adding loads of cheese to it. And if you are a cheese lover like me, then you would just love this sandwich with the cheese. And you can add as much cheese you want in your sandwich. And also, if you are not a cheese lover, this sandwich is equally good and tasty with double cheese. So do try it at your home. So I have this electric sandwich maker which I'm oiling. You can use the grillers as well, or you can make this sandwich onto the tawa. For oiling, you can use butter because it will always enhance the taste of the sandwich. Now I will be preparing my sandwich by using brown bread. You can use any kind of bread you like. So I'm just spreading evenly all the mixture that I have prepared of vegetable, mayonnaise and cheese, so that every bite is a burst of flavors. Let's prepare another one in a similar way. So our sandwiches are ready to be cooked. I have buttered the upper layer of sandwiches and closed the lid of the sandwich maker. I'll wait for a few minutes, and now my sandwich is steaming hot. I'll just open the electric sandwich maker and look, yummy sandwiches are ready quite quick. Isn't this recipe quite quick? Well, you can have this recipe anytime in any of your meals, be it lunch, breakfast or dinner. Do let me know in the comment section below if you like this recipe and give me a big thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for new content every week, so that I can bring loads and loads of new recipes for you to relish and enjoy with your friends and families. Till then, until next time, goodbye, take good care of yourselves. Toodles!